Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to As Wealth Builders. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a print-on-demand business in the United States and turn designs into dollars. This is a business where you don't handle printing, shipping, or storage. Yet you make money every time someone buys your custom-designed product. Sounds good? Let's get started. The first step is finding your niche, the sweet spot where your passion meets profit potential. Think about it. Are you obsessed with French bulldogs? Boom, niche. Are you a total gym rat? That's a niche. Do you love collecting quirky socks? Niche alert. The more specific, the better. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a feeling, a sense of belonging to a tribe. And here's a pro tip. Use your research skills. Head over to Etsy, Redbubble, or even Amazon and look for trending designs. If you see a pattern of bestsellers within a specific category, that's a flashing neon sign screaming, "Money to be made." Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to choose your weapon, your print-on-demand platform. Two of the heavy hitters in the game are Printful and Printify. They're known for their high-quality prints, wide range of products, and seamless integrations. Then you've got Teespring, which is a beast when it comes to selling on social media. If you're looking for a marketplace that already has a built-in audience, check out Redbubble or Zazzle. Once you've picked your platform, connect it to your online store, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or even Amazon. Bam! You've officially got yourself a business. Okay, now for the fun part, designing your products. Don't worry, you don't need to be Picasso to create winning designs. Canva is your new best friend. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. And if you want to step up your game, Photoshop is the gold standard for a reason. But hey, if design really isn't your thing, no sweat. You can easily find talented freelance designers on Fiverr who can bring your vision to life for a reasonable price. Remember, simplicity sells. Keep your designs clean, bold, and easy to understand at a glance. Pro tip: text-based designs with strong, relatable messages are huge sellers. People love designs that let them express their personality and passions. Your online store is your virtual storefront, so you gotta make it shine. If you're using Shopify or Etsy, invest some time in making it look professional and visually appealing. High-quality mock-ups of your designs are crucial. They show potential customers how awesome your products will look in real life. And don't skimp on your product descriptions. Instead of just saying cool t-shirt, write something like soft, comfortable, and guaranteed to turn heads. Get creative and inject some personality into your writing. Make people feel like they need that item in their lives. Aim for a healthy profit margin of 30 to 50%, so you're actually putting cash in your pocket after covering all your costs. Your store is live, your designs are fire, now it's time to bring in the customers. TikTok and Instagram Reels are your secret weapons. Create short, attention-grabbing videos showcasing your products in a fun and engaging way. If a video goes viral, watch your sales skyrocket. Next up, Facebook and Instagram ads. These platforms allow you to target your ideal customers with laser precision. If you're selling funny dog owner t-shirts, you can target people who follow dog-related pages or have shown interest in pet products. And don't forget about the power of SEO, search engine optimization. If you're selling on Etsy or Amazon, make sure you're using relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags. Once you get that initial traction, the momentum starts to build. Now here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment with your niche idea, and I'll tell you if it has money-making potential. I'm serious, let's see those million-dollar ideas. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to As Wealth Builders, and turn on notifications, because I'm dropping more business strategies to help you make money online. See you in the next video.